Scotsman clad in clothes allowed by one evening fair, and one could tell by how he walked and he drank more than his share. He fumbled round until he could no longer keep his feet, and he stumbled up into the grass and slipped beside the street. About a time two young and lovely girls just happened by. One said to the other with a twinkle in her eye,
"Seeing a sleeping Scotsman so strong and handsome built, I wonder if it's true what they don't wear beneath the kilt."
Ring-a-diddle-diddle-I-O, ring-a-diddle-I-O.
We wonder if it's true what they don't wear beneath the kilt.
They crept up on the sleeping Scotsman, quiet as could be, lifted up his kilt about a knee so they could see, and there beheld for them to view beneath his skirt was nothing more than God had dressed him with a bunny spur. Ring-a-diddle-diddle-I-O, ring-a-diddle-I-O. Was nothing more than God had dressed him with a bunny spur.
We marveled for a moment, then she said we must be gone. Let's leave a present for a friend before we move along. As if we left the blue crib and tie into our bow. Around the bonny star the Scotsman killed and lift and show.
Ring-a-diddle-diddle-I-O, ring-a-diddle-I-O.
Around the bonny star the Scotsman killed and lift and show.
Scotsman woke to nature's call and stumbled toward a tree. Behind a bush he lifts his kilt and gawks at what he sees, and in a startled voice he says to what's before his eyes, "Oh lad, I don't know where you've been, but I see you one first